We set the trend in the script.
Absolutely. You are, you have been, you will be under the groove.
Snip this glue, get in the zone, because we got to go do something. So that's what we did. And I'm going to be honest with you, I used to like it. You got people from the east and the west and different places, to come over and groove with us.
Was Hoover Groovers a part of Hoover? Never met a Hoover Groove. Me and you was never in my life. But
a part of what was called the Bonzella Crips.
Hoover Groovers ain't started no Hoover Crips. And we hit that hand moving on you, walking in your house.
Wait, do that again.
Hit that hand moving on you, that messed up your whole party. You are, you have been, you will be under the groove. Trade 4, 7-11, the deuce, and the 9. Hoover Hay to the Hoover Knights, to the culture enthusiasts, to the people, and to the Hoover community. It's your guy, man, Big Bub, and I'm logging in for a quick minute to speak on the presence of Hoover Line, direct from Pelican Bay State Prison on Under the Groove. He's here to drop something for y'all to pick up, his Hoover story and the message that's in it. For those of you who want to know how his humble beginnings transformed him into the man he is today, look, man, you got to log in at 1 p.m. April 18th and 19th to catch episodes 3 and 4, where he discusses power and strength and unity, the current state of affairs, and the Hoover criminal effect. Get laced on his perspective of what the story is and the people in it who helped to shape him. Don't miss it on youtube.com/@underthegroove. Now, a quick note. To those of you who are part of 80 Hoover Crips, back in the 80s, we know what it was, man. Those who know, know. In no way is the 80 Hoover experience being minimized or being made to look like they were insignificant. They were with the business, don't get it twisted. But we'll let them tell it here on Under the Groove. So stay tuned for that one. Last but not least, we're asking the Hoover community, the cultural enthusiasts, the Hoover Knights, and the people to help support Hoover Joe's Free Joseph Carl Stanley campaign to end 16 years of injustice. This brother's 16-year incarceration is a travesty of injustice, man. Let's assist Joe to reclaim his freedom and bringing him back home to his family, people. Listen, one more thing and I'm gone. Like and share this. Comment and subscribe to this. With that said, you have been, you are, and you will be Under the Groove. Peace, people, and one love.
Help reunite a devoted parent with their family after 16 years. Joseph, a devoted parent and community supporter, fights for justice. Their life was shattered by wrongful imprisonment, tearing them away from loved ones. For 16 long years, this individual has battled to reclaim both freedom and family. You can play a crucial role in helping them reclaim their life and reunite with their family today. Every donation brings hope and justice closer to reality for this family. Stand with Joseph, donate now.
Trade 4, 7-11, the deuce and the 9. You have been, you will be Under the Groove. But we ain't gang banging, this is about education. We trying to educate our youth right now, nigga.
Hey. Said day is the best day. Skip walking across the floor in the best way. From trade to the one way. It's a stump day. LA to the NY. Let this funk play.
Back in them days, it was love, loyalty, respect, and honesty,
that's my nigga Gumby right
there.
From the
ex-busters, hooks, and snitches put on pedestals and ventilators.
Say lows on that Hoover shit. HIP, Tony Moon, one of the hardest poets I ever heard connected with this star shit. Hey. Baby Jap and Jap 5, quick to set it off on the mic in the shack live.
When the shit get real and feel to the wheel, and then you will see sitting up in that motherfucker, looking at that light sin, that death sin.
Then they run into a witness stand, telling on their own homeboys.
Hoover stomp, like this, Hoover stomp.
I know you talking about, I know how to start them, be ass, go tell me, yeah.
York nigga in the Pacific Sun. I say West Side Hoover if you ask where I'm from. Fathers California run, still infusing my lungs. All about my bread, I ain't leaving.
Understand the end game. What's your end game? What's your purpose?
Keep one in the head or I don't need a gun. I'm with Hawk on Hoover Street with a low ass jump. Hopping down Figueroa with a whole stolen cunt. Grooving like this, come second to none. Grooving like Scone Young, grooving like Booker Bone. I'm bad to the bone.